In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Prezi presentation as a PDF. If you've ever worked with Prezi and needed to share your work in a more universally accessible format, you'll find this tutorial particularly helpful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your presentation within the Prezi editor. To do this, simply log into Prezi and select the respective project from your dashboard. It's important to note that your presentation should be fully prepared and edited to your satisfaction, as the exported PDF will capture precisely what you see in the editor. Once your presentation is open and ready, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the three-dot menu or the File option. Depending on which version of Prezi you are using, these can sometimes look slightly different, but generally they are easy to locate near the top menu bar. Clicking on this will unveil a drop-down list that provides multiple options for what you can do with your presentation. From this list, you'll need to select Export PDF. This is the function that is going to convert your interactive Prezi presentation into a more static, easy-to-share PDF format. PDFs are a great format for sharing because they preserve the layout and design, ensuring that anyone you send it to will see the presentation exactly as you intended, regardless of their device or software. After you select Export PDF, you'll be prompted to choose the specific pages or sections you want to include in your PDF file. This is handy if, say, your presentation includes sections that aren't quite relevant to the audience you're sharing it with. In this step, you have the flexibility to customize the PDF's content to better fit its purpose. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button. At this point, Prezi will take a few moments to generate your PDF file. The time this takes can vary depending on the size and complexity of your presentation, so it might be a good moment to stretch or grab a quick coffee. When the export process is complete, you'll have the option to download your freshly minted PDF file. It should prompt you to save it to your computer, so choose an easy-to-remember location for the download, ensuring you can find it effortlessly when it's time to share or print it. And that's how you save a Prezi presentation as a PDF. It's a straightforward process that can make your presentations more versatile and ready for sharing with anyone, anywhere. I hope you found this tutorial clear and useful. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.